How to fix this site can't be reached on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your Android phone says that this site cannot be reached. So basically, sometimes you could be browsing something and it simply says that this site cannot be reached, right? So why does this happen in the first place? Now, the first reason why this happens is due to your internet connectivity issues. So just make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually working just fine. The other thing could be because you can just try to switch your mobile data as well, and other thing could be because of your browser itself. So depending upon whichever browser you're using, just long press on the I button of the app and then you'll come to the app information page. Then you just want to go to the option called storage, then clear the cache files, go to manage storage, and if possible you can also just basically try to clear all of the data and see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, also try to restart your phone and then see if that solves it. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.